I'm Roddy Battajon, and I'm doing the one for the dots.
I'm here doing the one with
Roddy, Mr. Belami.
the one place for breakfast.
I discovered that just a few weeks ago. You have a wonderful tag on the wall, I hate Mondays. You know
Called
place?
I Hate Mondays.
Oh yeah, so that's the one.
The one secret place to eat.
I will go for Queens.
Oh.
I was there when there was that completely white wall. I mean the hummus with the little merguez on the top and the crunchy nut. Oh. That's a banger. Next.
The one, the one place to catch up with friends.
Cocoon or pickles? Oh. Yeah. Cocoon.
I did pickles first and cocoon later.
Yeah, actually, that's the perfect sense.
The one old school place.
I would say Mayhem. That's for the true man, you know. Unfortunately, it don't have my size, so it's really Vietnamese.
Yeah.
It's really Vietnamese. But the vibe inside is lovely.
The one place for a view of the river.
View with the river, I would say Café des Stagiaires. But in Vietnam, actually, they choose the best spot already, like when they start Rhum, you know, on the same street.
Exactly.
Rhum was more underground music, and they bring their musical playlist, their DJ selection, pair with the good food, like French taste.
The one place to eat alone.
I have the Vietnamese street food just nearby the factory, like the road. You have the one making the sugarcane juice, the street one. So I take this one and I wait the time they craft and it's simple, it's like com tam, com ga, but with a sauce. The sauce of the com ga, it's sweet. All my love.
The one place for a nice bottle of wine.
A nice bottle of wine, I will go definitely for vino beer. Seriously, they have a wonderful selection of French wine.
The one hangover cure.
You put some honey, some hot water, and you put some cinnamon powder, a bit of turmeric, and you mix.
The one guilty pleasure.
I would say sushi god on Battajon.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely. This is my guilty pleasure, sushi. I admit.
The one place you take out of town guests.
House of Merlin. It's a hidden gem and nobody knows that. The food there, like just try the food. It's a bar, but the guy have a food menu. It's crazy.